So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how we can rectify your copyright issues when upload videos on YouTube channel. So guys, we are discuss a lot of things are there. So uploading time you are facing any copyright issues. So how we can rectify that one? So it all will be discussed about in the Digital Rakesh. So what are the things you have doubts about YouTube or any things you can learn from in this my channel or my website will be there. You can go to my website Rakesh Tech Solutions. Here will be option will be blogs. I'm writing each and every blogs and find out the code and everything. So any YouTubers when uploading video time is facing some problem like copyright issues or everything. So how we can rectify that one? So most of the people using for third-party musics, some other music we can use. How we can rectify that one? So I'm starting to upload video. So when uploading time, suddenly I'm uploading will be started here. In this one, when upload in time, so we have to start will be here. So what are the things will be here? We can copy this one. We can paste here in this description part. Okay. We can use this option here. So when uploading will be started, they will give the all will be fundamental options. So here I'm going to wear thumbnail option. Excel thumbnail will be select. So everything will be selected here. Parameters are important. What are the parameters? Recording date, your tags, everything will be important. And playlist. What are the playlist will be needed? We can add by event. Add by the end screen. In this you can select by the in this video option. Now click for save. Add your option. Select your videos. What are the video you can publish? Select the particular video and save. When tick mark is done, is it done? Now started will be here. Next. You upload any video will be into unlisted mode. If you want any uploading time, you will be get any copyright. It will be seen for the immediately in your particular option. So here you get by one copyright claim. The copyright claim, what do they mean by that? So you can copy any visual here. So here, first channel impact, no affected. The content you claim on your video does not affect your channel. Okay, eligible. What eligible will be? Here, monetization in some territories. Some music will be in this particular option will be ignored. So in this purpose, is a corporate owner. This video will be corporate claim. In this purpose, they give three options: trim out segment, replace song, mute song. The song will be mute or replace the song. Replace song time, we can use the YouTube existing music. Or else that part you can keep it on the mute option. Or you can delete the particular second videos. So which video will be covered by here? Isn't it? Everything. So add it. It will be fixed. The problem will be within 1 to 3 minutes of time. Maybe it is taking for BS than the video. Video will be longer. It will take for several time. So now we'll be showing for copyright claim. Once the video will be publishing mode into that, a copyright claim will be deleted after 1 to 3 minutes of time. So any kind of YouTube channel, they get any copyright claim, the most of the problem is option will be music. Is a three options will be given. The three option will be compulsory. You can find out. One is called the particular seconds, we can delete that video along with music. Second option, the video will be replace the another music. Third one, we have to mute the particular video seconds. If you are not interested, you can keep it on mute on the particular seconds. So this is the option we can optimize YouTube channel copyright strike. Follow instructions and don't do the mistake for YouTube copyright claim. If any affected here, the showing will be affected. It's not affected. Second thing is they give the file dispute. File is nothing but people watch your video in your channel. Who is the primary owner? They earn money from their channel. So these are options will be given by the YouTube copyright summary status. These all will be checking for each video on the description part or dashboard part. Follow instructions and keep it on the retriever YouTube copyright strikes. Thank you guys. If anybody have issues, please contact me on my particular Digital Rakesh channel.